Hi everybody. Wow, nearly the end of July 2021. So we've been in lockdown again in Melbourne, Australia. So I've been kind of busy doing working on my symbols and everything. So which in August there's actually a couple of other videos that I'm putting up about your own personal symbols. I did put a short 15-minute one up recently, which has been really well received. So I will actually finish making those and putting them up in August, the other ones that I've done. Okay, so this is my July beautiful, my Turkish door, which I'm really loving. I've done a bit of Inktense work on it to darken some of the sides and so forth. I have also been, as you know, or if you follow me or on YouTube, have a look at my YouTube, or on Judy Armstrong's studio group, I've uploaded a new series of papers that are they're called Ancient Blue Collection. There's 9 of them that you can print out. So without ado, I'm going to actually use one of these, and in the back of this particular page that I've got to finish for July, and then I'm just going to have a little bit of a sit with it, and I'll be back. Hi everyone, back again. So I've written down a few things that came up that I want to take through this doorway to August on the side here. And what I came up with was I have been working on some artwork where I've been using words, and I decided what I'll do is use some of these words that I have left over from that particular process and glue these down. And also I do have a couple of the A4 sheets here that I've grunged up and so forth, so with the words already in different fonts and different words. So I will actually put these up for free on Judy Armstrong's studio group on Facebook for August, and just in case you want to use them in the next one or whenever you wish to use them. Now I have actually got a bit of darkened the edges here, so I just used a bit of Inktense to actually do that. And the words that I'm taking through to August is exciting moments to cherish within myself, intense dynamic love. That's my words that I'm going to glue in here. Now for August in Australia, we've been in lockdown, and you know, spring is coming. It can't come fast enough for my liking. And what I've decided our next door is a Peruvian door, and I want it to be really brightly colored, like the Peruvians, they wear really vibrant clothing, and some of the doors are like that too. So I just want you to be like a really happy doorway, colorful doorway for the next one. There's my beautiful Turkish door. And so yes, so this one is going to be a Peruvian doorway, happy, cheerful, bright and colorful. All right, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing and liking, and I'll see you next month.